Hello guys! Today is a closer look and a quick review for Singer Heavy Duty Holiday Bundle 4452 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine that comes with a bonus extension table for larger projects, and also it's packed with specialty accessories. Singer provides a free beginner sewing machine class with the purchase of their machine. As you can see here in this video, this is what's inside the Singer 4452 Holiday Bundle. It comes with specialty accessories like the walking foot, blind hem presser foot, and open toe presser foot that you can use with a lot of sewing projects and special hems and finishings. And this machine also comes with the regular all-purpose foot, zipper foot, button sewing foot, one-step buttonhole foot, and also the non-stick foot, and other sewing tools to start your sewing project. The best thing here with this holiday bundle is the extension table. What I love here, it is foldable, adjustable, and it's perfect for larger projects like costumes, blankets, and quilting projects. The extension table is also very easy to put in and put out. I also love that it comes with an accessories box to place all my food and other sewing tools. So you can see here in this video how it's very easy to place in the extension table and how to properly insert it in my machine. I purchased the Heavy Duty 4452 Holiday Bundle because I know it's a great deal, and I love the specialty accessories that would help me with a lot of sewing projects. So you can see here in this video how I set up my machine along with this extension table so I can start my sewing project. For me, Singer 4452 sewing machine is the best heavy-duty sewing machine. Along with this holiday bundle is the most excellent deal I ever had. So I highly recommend this. I give this a 5-star rating. I hope this review helps.